BMW is preparing replacements for its 6 Series coupe and convertible, but will be positioning the new cars higher, into 8 Series territory. The automaker confirmed the move in May 2017 with the unveiling of the 8 Series concept at the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este. However, the car was hardly a secret, as prototypes for an 8 Series coupe have been testing in public for a while now. Our latest spy shots and video show a prototype for what's destined to be the 8 Series convertible. The original 8 Series never spawned a convertible, although BMW did get around to building a prototype.